Once I took the product, as I said, I was skeptic at first, like most people. You're supposed to be. You don't know what you're taking. It's like going on a blind date with someone. At 4 p.m., I used to be gone. It was 6:35, and I'm like, what is going on? So I get up, I start sweeping the floor, mopping the floor, mopping the walls. Who mops their walls? This guy did. Go outside, wash my car 11:30 at night in the dark. I run back to the gym, have not been to the gym in quite some time. The owner of the gym, he seen me come back. He got this look on his face like, oh, you're back? And I'm like, yeah, I'm back. I would say you never know what's on the other side of that skepticism until you push through it. Because if we stay skeptic, then we'll stay where we are.